In a moment, what you're about to witness is more than just a military report. It's a glimpse into the face of modern warfare where silence can be shattered in an instant. Power is measured not just by explosions, but by precision and strategy. In the dead of night, as the city of Kyiv slept in a deathly silence, a sharp sound ripped through the sky. Fast, unstoppable. This wasn't an ordinary attack. This was the presence of the Kinzhal. A shrouded weapon that moved at lightning speed, traveling at hypersonic speeds, penetrating conventional defenses without a hitch. For Russia, it was a symbol of technological might and strategic dominance. A silent message delivered at hypersonic speed. But for its enemies, it was something else entirely. A waking nightmare, a force they couldn't outrun or intercept. The Kzal didn't just strike, it redefined what fear truly means. So, what exactly happened in Kyiv? How did the Kzal destroy the Ukrainian capital? Ready to dive in? Let's uncover the news together. Russian attacks on Ukraine have intensified in May and June, especially since Operation Spiderweb emerged. Moscow has been increasingly aggressive in carrying out record-breaking attacks on the Ukrainian war front. In mid-June 2025, Kyiv was once again targeted by Russia using ballistic missiles and UAVs. There were also 12 locations recorded being attacked in the Solomyansky, Sviatoshinsky, Darnitsky, Dniprovsky, Podilsky, and Obolansky districts of Kyiv. In line with this, the head of the city military administration, Timur Tkachenko, confirmed that fires occurred in various areas of Kyiv. The night of June 16th marked more than just another strike. It was a thunderous display of Russia's strategic brilliance. In one of the most intense and precisely coordinated air offensives in recent months, Ukraine's skies lit up under the overwhelming firepower of Russian missile and drone dominance. Released via the Telegram channel on Uncensored News, the video shows Kyiv being pounded with a combination of strong and balanced forces. 3 Kinzhal hypersonic missiles streak across the sky, nearly impossible to intercept. The waves of Kh-101 cruise missiles and Garan drones follow in a carefully synchronized attack. Each wave forces Ukraine's defenses to work hard, dealing with threats from different altitudes, speeds, and directions. Some footage shows a massive fire. The pitch-black night brightens with the light from the flames. Also, the thick black smoke billows, filling the sky over Kyiv. To support the news, a video also shows that while Kyiv was still shocked by the sudden blow from Kinzhal, another wave appeared silently, consistently and widely. More than 100 Garan-2 UAVs launched by the Russian armed forces crossed Ukrainian airspace in one of the most coordinated drone attacks to date. Their main focus was also the same as Kinzhal, namely the city of Kyiv, which was already in tension, and strategic locations around it. Created by Russian engineering brilliance, the Kinzhal isn't just a missile, it's a statement of dominance. Blazing through the skies at hypersonic speed, it shatters the limits of modern defense. So, what gives Kinzhal its fearsome edge? Let's uncover the force behind Russia's military precision. Kinzhal is a hypersonic ballistic missile capable of carrying a conventional or nuclear warhead weighing approximately 480 kilograms, with a standard range of about 1,500 to 2,000 kilometers. However, a TASS media report from July 2018 indicated that when launched from the strategic Tupolev Tu-22 M3 bomber, its range could exceed 3,000 kilometers. The Kinzhal design shares similar dimensions with the Iskander-M missile, measuring approximately 8 meters in length, 1 meter in diameter, and having a launch weight of 4,300 kilograms. Nonetheless, it features several key differences from its ground-based counterpart, including a redesigned tail section, smaller control fins, and special structural reinforcements at the rear to protect the engine during high-speed atmospheric flight. Upon launch, the Kinzhal can rapidly accelerate to Mach 4 and shortly thereafter reach a maximum velocity of Mach 10. This extreme speed, combined with its high maneuverability and unpredictable flight trajectory, makes the missile extremely difficult to intercept by conventional air defense systems. In the realm of modern warfare, the Kzal is more than just a weapon. It is a strategic declaration. Its unmatched speed, high maneuverability, and extended range make it one of the most formidable assets in Russia's arsenal. Amid escalating geopolitical tensions, the Kzal's presence delivers a clear message that air superiority is not merely about velocity, but also about precision, intelligent engineering, and technological dominance. When this missile takes flight, the world watches and counts the seconds. With Russia's undeniable superiority, both in advanced weapons technology and tactical brilliance, the world is witnessing a profound shift in the balance of power. Hypersonic missiles like the Kinzhal, swarms of Geran-2 UAVs, and precise coordinated night strikes show that Russia is no longer just playing defense. It is rewriting the rules of modern warfare with unmatched precision and bold strategy. Amid the non-stop pressure and media campaigns of the West, the question is no longer when Russia will strike, but how its enemies can survive. Ukraine, even with full support from the United States and NATO, is seen struggle under the weight of endless battles. Its resources stretch thin, its defenses slowly breaking down, and its soldiers facing wave after wave of powerful attacks. As the conflict unfolds day by day, one thing becomes clear. This is no longer just about territory or influence. It's a test of resilience, vision, and the ability to evolve in the face of global pressure. Russia, through each calculated move, sends a quiet but firm message that strength today is not only measured by might, but also by time calculation, military tactics, and technological capability. In this shifting landscape of war, Russia isn't chasing power, it's setting the pace. Can Ukraine and its allies truly hold the line against this rising force? Or will they be forced to step back? What do you think about it? Share your thoughts below. We'll see you in another news from the battlefield. Thank you for watching.